kinetic energy here. Up the other side, up here now it's got potential energy again. And how is this height going to compare to the initial height? Okay, and it's going to come back to the bottom and have more kinetic energy again. And then it's going to rise up to a height over here again. And how should this height compare to the initial height?
Lower.
Okay, so it'll be the same in theory. Now in practice, there's a little bit of friction up there that's going to remove some of the energy. So it might be just a little bit smaller. But is it going to be higher than when it started out? No. It shouldn't be higher. So I'm going to put my faith in physics to the test. And I'm going to drop this. And I'm going to try to stand motionless, maybe even with my eyes closed. As I let it go, you can watch it swing out and back, and not get me in the jaws. I'm not going to push it away from me, because that would add energy to it that would come back to higher point. Okay, so here goes. Did I flinch?
Yes.
We'll try it again without me flinching. I think I better close my eyes. Okay, here goes. Oh.